Welcome to my channel, friends. World Athletics Women of the Year 2021 award given to Anju Bobby George. Anju Bobby George, World Athletics has awarded sprinter Anju Bobby George as Woman of the Year after her efforts in advancing the sports in India as well as inspiring more women to follow her footsteps made her more than a worthy recipient of this year's award. Anju Bobby George is the only Indian woman in the field to have 4 gold, 2 silver, and 2 bronze medals in various athletics competitions. She is born on 19th April 1977 in the village of Chirangchira in Kottayam district of Kerala. Anju made the country famous all over the world while many people stay away from this type of long jump. Anju chose this field of her career. Not only she was selected but also she made great strides in her side. Turning point in life of Anju. In 2003 World Athletic Championship in Paris, she won the historic bronze medal in the long jump of 6.70 meters. She was the first Indian woman to do so at that time. That was the turning point in the life of Anju. Anju has only one kidney. Overcoming it, she achieved this great success. Although she has only one kidney, remember, on awards and honors. Arjun Award in 2002, Khel Ratna Awards in 2003, Padma Shri in 2004, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna in 2004. She got fifth position with the personal best score of 6.83 at the 2004 Athens Olympics. In 2021 March, Anju won the BBC Lifetime Achievement Award for Best Athlete in India. In 2004 Athens Olympics, Anju has been fascinated by outdoor sports since childhood. Her father, Katie Macross, has a keen interest in athletics. He wants his daughter to excel in this field. Anju too started working hard to make her father's dream come true. Anju was educated in a school of Koruthodo village. The coach at this school recognized Anju's talent. Anju did well in the school competition and caught everyone's attention. In the school competition held in 1991 to 1992, Anju won the 100-meter hurdles and relay, long jump and high jump. Anju finished second in this category. She made a significant national achievement while studying in Vimala College. Finished third in 100 hurdles and 4 by 100 relay. In the early days, Anju used to play in the heptathlon type. However, later she turned her attention to the jump type. She won a medal at the 1996 Delhi Junior Asian Championship in Delhi, recorded a national record in the triple jump events in 1999. In 2001 Thiruvananthapuram event, she broke her one national record of 6.74 meters in long jump. However, in this competition, she started a personal best by jumping 6.83 meters. Even today, it is a national record of India. Anju's long jump continued to rise even after the Olympics. At the 2005 World Championship, her gold was briefly hooked and won by. It was on this difficult road that Anju met her fiancé Bob George in 1998. Bob is a mechanical engineer and a national triple jump champion. The couple have a son, Aaron, and daughter, Andrea. Very happy couple. Look the picture. Anju later set up her One Sports Foundation to provide better training to girls under 20 years of age. Silver medalist Shaili Singh is a player trained by Anju, and so many other athletes, so many other players also trained by our Anju. Look that this is a scene. At present, 13 girls are undergoing training in the foundation. In this foundation, Anju's tremendous performance in a sport that is considered a male dominant sport is a deal for women. Today, she is a role model for many young sportswomen in India. Thank you.